Hey guys, Jessie and Eric here with Foundation Training. We're going to talk to you a little bit about hyperextension and mistakes we see often with some of the groundwork. So let's lay on our belly, Eric. He's going to bring his legs together, zip everything up. He's setting up for an anchored extension. So the elbows are just off the ground. Let me see if I can get him to lower him ever so slightly. He's going to pull his nose and throat away from the ground. Now, what we run into is we're focusing on length in the body, but people often want to give us a helicopter coming up. You see all this hyperextension he starts to go into? So here's the fix. Eric, let's lengthen through the back neck. Let's take an expansive decompression breath. Focus on a jet going forward down the runway as opposed to coming up like a helicopter. Remember, we want to be pulling length into our body, not shortening and tightening into that hyperextended position. So go ahead and come down. Anything you'd like to add?
Tighten up the adductors. It's called an anchored extension. The anchoring happens from the pelvis down. It's an adductor-based exercise. Squeeze hard, don't lift up, pull away. It'll feel good.
Practice it. Stream.foundationtraining.com. Join the tribe.